This is John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of one of our traders, Solomon. Solomon has been with us from the 4th of January 2021 up until the present day of review, the 17th of March 2021. Solomon has maintained a daily rate of 0.25% and had a drawdown of 2.53% in the positive territory. So as we can see, just by minus zero point 0.3 here, 3.0. So Solomon has preserved the account and made profit and is now on level 3, trading 60,000 US dollars in the space of 2 months and a few days. So Solomon's done quite well, being with us for actually 3 months and a few days. So January, February, March, he's done significantly well. Solomon's achieved this with 90 trades in total. If you look at the profitability factor here, Solomon's won 44 out of the 90, which represents 49%, and he's lost 46 of 90, which represents 51%. This only goes on to show us that you could be right and you could be wrong, but still end up in profit. Solomon has lost more than he's actually won, but as we can see from the statistics, Solomon is managing $60,000. How's that possible? This is very possible due to the fact that Solomon has a very good trading plan. He has a low risk, high reward trade setup, and more importantly, risk management. Solomon is very good in managing risk, which is reflected in this account. So his worst trade to date was for 666.90, and best trade was $1,506.05. Solomon's done quite well. Looking at the current trades of 95 that are closed, we can see Solomon's been trading one lot sizes, 0.50. He's really been taking maximum lot sizes, and we can see various pairs like the pound CAD, Euro CAD, New Zealand dollar yen, Euro AUD, US dollar CAD, Euro pound, Euro CAD, Euro AUD, and vice versa. So Solomon's done quite well. But looking at the summary now, I'm curious to see what pairs he's traded and made him the most. And as we can see, Solomon has traded quite a few pairs from the Euro AUD down to the US dollar CAD, which is a combination of Euro pairs, pound pairs, and a few cross pairs. Out of all the pairs, the pound yen is Solomon's biggest asset in terms of trading as a pair. He's traded this 13 times on the long side and made $2,390.59. He's traded it on the short side and made 16 pips and made 1,543.33, which gives us a grand total of 3,933.94. All the other pairs we can see are on the Euro yen, followed by pound US dollar, New Zealand dollar yen. He's diversified his risk. But overall, Solomon is a winner, and Solomon is managing 60,000 US dollars. He's halfway through the FTP plan. Next is 120,000, 240,000, and 500,000. So Solomon is halfway through the program in the space of 3 months. So how is this possible? Discipline and consistency and having a great trading plan. So looking at the drawdown now, because we're talking about the worst he got was 2.54% back in 4th of March, followed by 2.49% in Feb, and 2.25%. Looking at the profitability factor now, we can see $44, 110. Although he's had drawdowns in these levels, the drawdown is actually in positive territory. So Solomon is doing very well. I don't know what else to say apart from keep doing what you're doing, remain disciplined and consistent, and people who are watching this video be inspired, because we just had this trade that come from the 4th of January, month 1, month 2, month 3, and 4 days, and achieved level 3, managing $60,000. So that means he's had a payout of $750, a payout of $1,500 and another payout of $3,000, hitting 60. So another $6,000 now. As you can see, he's not far away. Solomon is going to manage six figures. And Solomon, I wish you the best. Focus on the pound yen pair that gives you the most of your profit. Stay disciplined and consistent. And most people too, when you're seeing this video, try and be inspired by it. Always make sure you check the market sentiment, price action, candlestick patterns, determine your entry points. Make sure your risk to reward ratio is balanced where you got low risk, high reward, and always put a stop loss in place. I'll be sharing more educational content and tips on how to improve your trading and how to get the maximum out of your trading pairs as well. If you head over to the AudaCity community app to connect with me and one of the team members on the AudaCity team, everyone will be happy to share educational content and tips moving forward. You can access this app on the Google Play Store and you can access it on Apple App Store as well. It's a free app and I wish everybody the best in their trading. And Solomon, well done. I wish you all the best as well. Keep up the good work. This is a great attempt, and I look forward to seeing you managing a bigger portfolio size in the near future.